What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a swing trading strategy that's going to give you a very high win rate, and it uses breakout momentum just like the scalping strategy I made a couple days ago. If you guys are excited and you guys want to get started with the strategy, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, to start off the video, you guys need to be using these two indicators on the chart right now. You need to be using EliteAlgo, and then you need to be using Elite Oscillator. If you guys do not have access to these indicators, don't worry, I'll show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you guys can get them. Now, as for the EliteAlgo settings, we want to make sure that we are using the settings of either 2.5 for regular candles or higher, or if you're using Heikin Ashi candles, you want to use a sensitivity of 1.2 to 1.4. Very important that you guys follow that sensitivity. Second, guys, you want to make sure the dashboard's enabled. And then you want to make sure that you have colored candles enabled. You want to go down here, you want to make sure you have trend cloud also enabled on the algo. Once you have that, you can press OK. Next, guys, what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says Elite Oscillator, click the settings, and you want to make sure that under strategy, you have the Elite Breakout Filter selected for this right now. Second, guys, what you want to do is now simply use all those together, and we're going to use a strategy. Let me explain the strategy. Okay, so for the strategy right now, I'm going to be doing it on forex. But again, this works on every single market. So forex, crypto, stocks, futures, you guys name it. As long as you can use it on TradingView or chart it on TradingView, then you're able to use a strategy. So starting off, guys, what we want to do is we want to go to the higher time frames and see exactly what type of trend we're in and what was the last signal on the higher time frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the daily because we are swing trading. So when we swing trade, we're going to go down to the 1 hour or the 4 hour. But to see exactly what's happening in the market, we're going to go to the daily time frame. Once we're on the daily time frame, we're going to go see what is the current last signal. We can see that the last signal is a smart sell. That means that if we want to take a sell position, we want everything to match. So we must have a red trend cloud, and we must have a bearish dashboard as we see right here. And then finally, guys, in the oscillator, we have to have a red breakout candle, as we can see right down here. So this matches all our criteria to enter a trade on the 1 hour time frame. If we do not have all these criterias, we are not going to trade. We're going to wait until we have all these criterias, at least for a short position. For a buy position, we want the same thing but the opposite. So we want to be in a buy position, we want to be in a bullish trend cloud, we want everything on our dashboard to be bullish, and we want a green breakout candle on the oscillator. But for now, let me show you guys how to take a short signal, and later on in the video, I'll show you guys how to take a buy signal. So as we see, guys, we have a smart sell right here. Everything checks out. We have the red candles on the volume breakout indicator down here. We have all bearish dashboard, and again, a red trend cloud. Now what we want to do is we want to go down to the 1 hour time frame. And then here's where it gets a little bit different, okay? If we are currently in a sell position on the 1 hour time frame, then we can go ahead and take the trade right away. If we are in a buy position, we want to wait for a sell position to happen before we take the trade, okay? So right now we can see that the last signal is a sell position, so we are good to go ahead and take the trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our short side position tool, we're going to set it to where we currently are. We're going to set our stop loss behind the last swing high, right? The last swing high is over here, as you guys can see. This is the last swing high. And then we want to take our take profit, and we want to put a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, just like this, guys. And then from here, we can simply just take the trade and see exactly what happens with the market. So as we can see, the price starts falling, then starts going back up. It's going to retest our stop loss just a little bit, but doesn't go all the way up there before going down and eventually hitting our take profit, guys, right here. Right there, guys, sorry. That's where I hit our take profit. So that is an idea of a swing trade on the 1 hour time frame using the breakout strategy for EliteAlgo. Let me show you guys one more example of a short before I move on to buy examples. Alright guys, so here's another example of a short opportunity. So as we see, we are on the daily time frame. We have a red trend cloud, as we can see right here. We have a sell signal, so that's 2 checks. Next, guys, we look at the dashboard. Our higher time frames, at least the majority of them, are bearish. It's going to be very hard for you guys to get all bearish. So as long as when you're swing trading that the higher time frames, so the daily to like the 1 hour, are bearish, then you should be good to go. but right now it's looking mostly bearish, so it's still pretty good. And we see that we just have recently a red bearish candle right here on the volume breakout indicator. So what are we going to do here? We are going to go down to the 1 hour time frame. And then on the 1 hour time frame, guys, we're simply going to see if we are in a sell position or if we're in a buy position. As we can see, we are clearly in a sell position right here. So what are we going to do? We're going to take this signal here, use our position size tool calculator, set our stop loss a little bit higher around here, and our take profit, we're going to aim for 1.5, just like this, guys. And then we're going to run the trade, and it should hit our take profit, and it smashed our take profit right here. So this is exactly how we want to take a sell signal. Let me show you guys now examples on how to take a buy signal for the swing trading strategy. Alright guys, now let's get going with the buy examples, but before we do that, just one quick thing that I completely forgot to mention earlier, because some of you guys probably already don't notice, but if you guys want the candle colors to look exactly like mine do, when you have the candle colors here checked on, then what you want to do, guys, is you need to make sure that when you go into settings right here, you go to symbols, you want to make sure that you have borders just checked off. That's what you got to do. Very simple. Once you've done that, you can just press OK, and then your candles look exactly like I do, with the green then red candles depending on what type of position you're in. So if you guys understand that, just do that, and we'll get going with the buy examples. So over here, guys, we can see we are on the daily time frame, and we can see that we have a bullish trend cloud right here. We have our last position is a buy signal. We have a extremely bullish dashboard, and we see right here on the volume breakout indicator that we have a green volume candle. Now what we're going to do next, simply just go down to the 1 hour time frame. And then from here, guys, we want to see if we're currently in a buy position or a sell position. So let that load in. Let's check it out. We are currently in a buy position here. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to enter our trade. So we're going to take our position size tool right here. We're going to set it. We're going to put the stop loss behind our last swing low, which would be right here. Okay. And then what we want to do next, guys, is we take it's already at 1.5. Perfect. So it's going to look exactly like this. Then we're going to take the trade from here, guys. And what happens right there, our take profit just got hit. Extremely easy swing trade that we could have taken using EliteAlgo breakout strategy. Let me show you guys just one more example before we end the video. Alright guys, so here's another example, but this time a little bit different. So as we can see, guys, this is the trade we just took that smashed our take profit that I just showed you in the previous example. We can see we still have a very bullish looking environment, right? So what we're going to do here, guys, is we're simply just going to take another trade. So we're going to go down to the 1 hour time frame again. Okay, we're going to hit reset. Let the algo load in. And then from here, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take our long position size tool, set it to where we are, put this behind the last swing low. So right over here, guys. And we want, again, aim for a 1.5 risk reward ratio. And then we're just going to go again with the trade and see exactly what happens. Our take profit gets hit again, guys. So you guys can also use this when you see very high momentum in the market to take multiple trades on the same exact pair, guys. So if you guys liked this video and you guys thought it was useful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel and motivates us to keep making videos just like this for you guys. Now, as for the people who do not have access to EliteAlgo, this is how you get it. You simply just want to go on our website right here, elitesignals.com, and simply just sign up to use it. It's extremely simple. We also have our own Discord server. All you gotta do is simply just click Discord, and it's gonna bring you into our Discord server. We have a gigantic community of 30,000+ people that like to trade every single type of market, forex, stocks, or options. And we also have more strategy videos that you guys can watch directly on this website right here. So if you click strategies, these are different strategy videos that you guys can watch and also use. Other than that, guys, have yourselves a good day.